This video contains some information about the economic news dated the 21st of March 2025. Presented by Dr. M. Wilson, Professor, Author and Publisher. Thank you. Subject videos for B.Com, B.B.A, M.Com and M.B.A of all universities of India and foreign countries are available at channelmwn.com. The country-wise and state-wise share of inward remittance of India are presented here. Kerala and USA respectively stand first. The chart shows the high performance of Manappuram Finance. The chart shows the high performance of Manappuram Finance. The chart shows the performance of rupee against dollar. The chart shows the performance of rupee against dollar. 1. AI startup Fractal, a global provider of enterprise AI solutions and services, announced a $20 million strategic investment in one of its product companies, Aspa.ai, a purpose-built AI for growth platform for consumer goods and manufacturing. The funding aims to power Aspa's next phase of growth, focusing on scaling its product development and expanding its enterprise customer base across the globe. 2. The Indian rupee posted its best day against the dollar in more than a month on the back of dollar inflows and an unwinding of speculative long dollar positions, which also helped it log its best week in more than 2 years. The rupee ended at 85.9725 against the US dollar from 86.3675 in the previous session. It rose to a 10-week high of 85.9375 during the session and gained 1.2% in the week. 3. The fast growth in gold loans has got global investors' attention too, with Bain Capital making an offer late on Thursday evening to acquire joint control of Manappuram Finance. The above transaction has been done at 236 rupees per share and it pushed the share price of Manappuram Finance, a Thrissur-based NBFC, to a 52-week high of 247 rupees and 50 paise in early Friday trading. 4. ITC Hotels share price is on a winning streak, surging 11% to hit a 52-week high of 204 rupees and 40 paise on Friday, just minutes before the closing bell. However, the shares of the company ended the day at 194 rupees per share, up by nearly 6%. The newly listed hospitality giant has been drawing significant attention, riding on a wave of optimism in the hotel and tourism sector. Since its listing in January 2025, the stock has gained nearly 18%. 5. Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL, has approved an undisclosed investment to acquire a 14.3% stake in Lucro Plasticycle Private Limited, a firm specializing in recycling flexible plastics. The decision has been considered as a strategic move towards reinforcing HUL's commitment to a circular economy by increasing plastic recycling capabilities and increasing the availability of recycled content in the packaging. 6. A parliamentary panel has criticized the Ministry of Food Processing Industries for chronic underutilization of funds for implementation of flagship programs, including Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, PMKSY, and PM Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises Scheme PMFME, for successive years. This reflected inadequate planning and execution by the ministry, the committee observed. 7. U.S. President Donald Trump on Thursday told Breitbart News that he believes that India will probably be lowering the tariffs it imposes on American goods. He further maintained that the U.S. administration will impose the same charges on India, starting April 2. In an interview with Breitbart News, Donald Trump said, "I believe they're probably going to be lowering those tariffs substantially, but on April 2, we will be charging them the same tariffs they charge us."
Subject videos for B.Com, B.B.A, M.Com and M.B.A of all universities of India and foreign countries are available at channelmwn.com. Presented by Dr. M. Wilson, Professor, Author and Publisher. Thank you.